What's up, everyone? It's me, your Truly Tree, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asian Diaries. For today, we're going to do a reaction video for another movie trailer, and this is for Meet, Greet, and Buy, directed by, of course, none other than the box office director, Carti Garcia Sampana. From Hello, Love, Goodbye to Meet, Greet, and Buy. And this time, it's not a love story, guys. It's a family drama starring Diamond Star Maricel Soriano. And we have Bel Mariano, Joshua Garcia, J.K. Labajo, and Piolo Pascual. Oh my God, it's a powerhouse, guys. Alam na natin, kapag Cathy Garcia movie, parang ano lang yan, Four Sisters and a Wedding. Diba? Hello, Love, Goodbye. It's gonna be it's gonna be an epic movie. And for sure, since this is a family drama like Four Sisters and a Wedding, for sure it's full of heart, and of course iiyak tayo dito. So tingnan natin ano ang tema, o parang yung ano din, seven something, yung family din kila Aga Mulak. I think that's Cathy Garcia as well. So nakaka-excite that Star Cinema is coming up with another family drama movie na talaga namang for sure it's gonna be a hit. Kaya naman excited tayo dito, guys. But before we proceed, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. And of course, watch out for our another contents na mga parating dahil marami tayong inihanda. Not only reacting to music and also to movie trailers, but we're gonna have some mystery. Speaking of mystery, let me wear my eyeglasses. Yeah, we're gonna be some detective. Charot. Kaya naman abangan nyo yan, guys, sa ating mga susunod na video. Kaya naman give me some love, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and comment down below. Ano ba yung mga, baka meron kayong mga recommendation, you can definitely comment down below. And of course, dito na nga tayo. Ano pa bang inaantay natin? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys.
Cancer's back.
Oh my
Time
God.
is not on our side.
Wait, guys, umpisa pa lang. Her cancer is back. So it's all about cancer. Miss Maricel Soriano, and then anak niya dito sila Piolo. Oh my God, grabe. For sure, bardagulan to ng acting. And it's from ABS-CBN Studios and of course, Star Cinema.
Kuya, anong gagawin natin?
Stage 4. All the more that we need to do chemo ASAP.
No, ayoko.
Ay,
Convince her again.
Bakit ba pinipilit mo?
Because it's the logical thing to do.
Hindi mo lang siya naiintindihan. Wala ka kasi dito.
Let's just stick together.
oh my God. So, of course, we know if it's a family drama, if the Filipino family drama, maraming conflict. And you can see yung chemistry, no? In fairness, the chemistry is there, guys. Nakaka-excite. And for sure, each of the character, they have their own storyline. So, yan ang ating aabangan.
Teamwork makes the dream.
Work! Para Warriors tonight!
Okay. Deliver ako. Maghahanap tayo ng alternative.
Oh my God, nakaka-excite. Tapos
Kung
Joshua
cancer
Garcia
therapy
pa.
Herbal
Stem
medicine
cell.
kaya.
Ito, hindi sure win. Pero legit.
Ma!
Ma, masakit?
Dadating siya!
Who's that?
Si Park Seo-joon!
Oh my God, akala ko naman inatake siya. Park Seo-joon. K-pop. Ano naman pala to si Mami Maricel dito. So, parang ano, no, nakaka-excite. Sana ipalabas siya sa Malaysia, guys. I'm so excited for this movie. Ang ganda ng ensemble ng cast.
Pupunta kami ng mama niyo sa meet and greet!
Sorry, hindi
Ipa-meet
pwede
and
manood ang
greet.
mama.
If I could
Ay.
get you a ticket for the meet and greet, magpapagamot ka.
So ba to?
Yeah? Oh,
Ah,
Fighting!
oh.
fighting!
Oh my God, guys, nakaka-excite for sure. Like comedy, may halong comedy, but the drama for sure if it's Cathy Garcia.
Ayusin
Nandito rin si Kyla Estrada, Matet.
Ma? Ma?
Oh my God, ito na nga ba sinasabi ko eh.
Paano ba mapapawi lahat ng
Oh my God. Hold on, guys. Kumpas ang kanilang team song. Tapos, alam mo yun, from a very light na umpisa ng trailer. Tapos, sa kalahatian, ipapakita yung magiging struggle ng family. Which is relatable and nag-goosebumps ako. Balikan nga natin, guys. Naku, baka naman maiyak pa ako dito. Charet.
Ma?
Diba? Pati yung labubo ko iiyak. Charet.
Paano ba mapapawi
Si Piolo ba yung kumakanta?
nasabi?
Oh my God.
Brad, tama na, nahihirapan na si Mama. Tama na. Marami mo. Tama na, Brad. Sabi ng tama na eh!
Are you doing
Oh my God.
this for her or yourself?
Ganun naman palagi. Siya naman palagi pinapaboran niyo eh. Mula nang dumating ako dito, ganyan na asta mo. Ano bang problema mo sa akin? Hindi mo alam? Hindi ko alam!
Tama na, anak! Ano ba?
Oh my God. Grabe. This is so exciting. I can't wait. Kailan ba ito is-showing? Piolo Pascual, Joshua Garcia, Bel Mariano, Juan Carlos, and Maricel Soriano, guys. The ensemble. Like, they are the best of the best sa kanilang field in terms of showbiz industry in the Philippines. So, this is going to be an epic drama and the touch of humor of Cathy Garcia.
Wouldn't even be here in the first place kung naalagaan siya ng tama. Ano pinupunto mo? Ano sa tingin mo?
Ah, si Piolo at si Joshua may conflict.
Focus tayo sa pagpapagaling kay Mama.
Oh my God, Belle! Belle in a heavy drama.
Ayoko siyang mawala.
Oh my God.
At aking
No, Meet, Greet, and Buy. A film by Cathy Garcia Sampana. November 12, guys! Oh my God! There you have it, guys. That is the official trailer of Meet, Greet, and Buy by Cathy Garcia Sampana. Oh my God, guys. Grabe. And nakakatuwa that Belle is here. She will showcase as a true actress. For sure. She's gonna be launched as a true actress here. Kasi ang galing niya dun sa huling teleserye nila ni Donnie. And this is her first parang featured film na wala si Donnie sa project, guys. So parang independent siya as a Don Bell, di ba? So wala siyang love team, but she will be here as an actress. And then we see this three kuyas niya for sure, which is JK, which is so good as well. Lolo and the Kid for JK Labao, grabe, exceptional ang drama nun. And of course, we have Joshua Garcia, one of the best, the next John Lloyd Cruz. And Piolo Pascual, best actor. Grabe. And Miss Maricel Soriano, grabe. Nakaka-excite. The ensemble, the storyline, for sure, hindi lang to magpapangiti, but kukurot to sa puso ng bawat manonood. Kaya naman nakaka-excite. This will be on November 12. I hope there's gonna be an international screening here in Malaysia for sure. Panonoorin namin to. Parang nung Hello Love Goodbye dito sa Malaysia. And of course, guys, what can you say about this new movie? Hindi ko alam kung this is tied up with Ribisco. Normally, Star Cinema is tying up with them in this kind of special movie. Kasi talagang parang super special kapag Star Cinema and then Cathy Garcia, aabangan mo talaga because it's gonna be a great storytelling and great actors all the time. The execution is always exceptional. Kaya naman nakaka-excite. Kaya comment down below what can you say about the movie and the trailer, and of course kung manonood kayo at sino inaabangan nyo dito. For sure lahat yan inaabangan nyo. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries, and I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now. Bye, la boo boo.